This is part 2 of the video tutorial for estimating land surface temperature. Today we'll be seeing how atmospheric corrections of the band information can be done. So previously we have seen how we can remove the black band around the dataset that we obtained from Landsat 8 data. So for doing atmospheric corrections of the band, the formula used is band specific reflectance multiple value, and we need a reflectance additive value and the sun elevation data. So basically what we'll be doing is we'll be converting this digital number to reflectance value of band 4 and 5. So let us see how it is done. So I'll open GIS platform. I'll bring in the band 4 and band 5 data. So we'll start off with band 4 information. We'll see how atmospheric corrections can be done for this. So I'll go to search, look for raster calculator. Raster calculator is here. So the expression that we'll be using is as follows. That is band specific reflectance value of multiple band. We need the value for that. If you remember, we have taken this from the metadata band specific reflectance value for band 4 and 5. So I'll copy this. Open bracket, copy, multiplied by the specific band. If you see the formula is multiplied by reflectance value multiplied by original band plus reflectance additive value. So the reflectance additive value is minus 0.100. So I'll copy this. Put a bracket here. Minus 0.001. Close bracket. Divided by sine of sun elevation. So if you remember, the sun elevation is 51 point something. We have taken this from metadata. So if we convert this into sine, so this is the value that we get. So we'll copy this. Paste it here. Yeah, we can just see for the corrections. We need one more bracket here. Yeah. So save it. So I'll say band 4. Atmospheric correction. Save it. Okay. Yeah. So this is ready. So you can see the band values have been converted into the reflectance value. Okay. So we'll do the same thing for other band. Let us see how we can do it quickly. Band 5. We'll go to raster calculator. We need a reflectance value. Copy this, paste it here, multiplied by the band specific value, close bracket, minus 0.1, that is additive value, close bracket, divided by sine of sun elevation, that is sine of sun elevation, this is the value. Paste it here, save it. Band specific, this is band 5 atmospheric correction. Save it. Okay, yeah, I'll remove this other layers. So we have converted the digital number to reflectance value for band 4 and 5. So these reflectance value will be used for calculating or for extracting NDVI in the upcoming tutorial. Thank you.